Hey everybody, today we're going to go through 4 incredibly easy beginner-friendly deals that you can do at Dollar General this week, Saturday, March 27th. We're also going to get some Gain detergent and other Gain products for incredibly cheap, so you're going to want to stick around to the end of the video for that. Also, don't forget that we post all kinds of deals and breakdowns and things all over social media, so be sure to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more. Let's get started. Okay, this first transaction is for those of us out there who really need paper towels, and it's a little higher out of pocket, so maybe it's not for you. In that case, we have other deals throughout the video that'll be more your speed, but if you really need some paper products, this might be the deal for you this week. Start by picking up 4 of the Dollar General paper towels. These are the True Living brand for $5 each. They are going to come to $20, and we're going to use this $4 off of $20 spent coupon on them. So we're getting 4 packs of those, which is quite a lot. There's like 6 rolls to a pack, so that's quite a bit of paper towels there. We're also going to pick up 1 CoverGirl eye product for $4. I think these are the eye liners. You can get a couple different, it doesn't matter, but the cheaper the better to keep your out-of-pocket low. And you're going to use this $3 off of 1 digital coupon on that, making that just $1. And last but not least, you're going to pick up 1 of the Oral-B flossers for $2.25. And we have this $2 off digital coupon on those. Make sure you have your 5 off of 25 digital coupon clipped. Your subtotal is going to come to $26.25 for all 6 items. And after all your coupons come off, your out-of-pocket cost is looking like just $12.25 plus tax for all 6 items, or $2.04 a piece. And $2.04 a piece for those 6 packs of paper towels is not bad. So it's a great way to stock up. So for this transaction, we're going to start by picking up 3 boxes of cereal, and I want you to make sure you're getting these specific boxes, and I'll tell you why. 1 box of Golden Grahams, 1 box of the Dunkaroos cereal, and 1 box of Honey Bunches of Oats. Now, all of these boxes are 3 for $6 this week. So by picking up those 3 boxes in particular, we'll get 6. They'll be 3 for $6. But we also have a coupon off of each one. Under the food section of your Dollar General coupons account, you should see a 75-cent digital coupon for Post Honey Bunches of Oats cereal. You should also see a $1 off of 1 box of Golden Grahams General Mills coupon as well. Cocoa Puffs is also shown as an option, but that does not count toward the 3 for $6, so make sure you're getting the Golden Grahams. Last but not least, make sure you're grabbing a box of those Dunkaroos cereal. I'm actually kind of excited to try this one with the kids. $1 off of 1 box. This is the 11.3 ounces. So we're having essentially $2.75 off of that $6. Go ahead and pick up a regular size jar of the Nutella for $3.50, and we have a $1.50 off paper coupon on that. You can also pick up 2 bags of Cheetos. They're going to be 2 for $5 this week, and I actually have a $2 off of 2 paper coupons straight from the manufacturer. Last week we mentioned on our social media accounts that you can go to tastyrewards.com. I think it might even be once a month or so. It's pretty often, and print as well as request mail coupons via the mail that you get from them, and there are all sorts of brands like Fritos, Lay's, Quaker, all Tostitos, all foods that, we all love, snack foods and things like that, even some soda coupons and stuff too. So That's where I got my $2 off of 2 Cheetos coupons. So if you did get those mail-in coupons when I mentioned it, you could use that, or you could swap this item out for something else. If you wanted to swap it out for something, I would probably recommend the Dunkin' Donuts K-Cups, the 10 count for $5.95. We do have a digital coupon right now available for just $1 that will take that down to $4.95, and there's also an Ibotta rebate available for that as well. If you haven't signed up for Ibotta yet, definitely do so and save yourself some money on stuff you use all the time. Our code is DDASFMR if you want to sign up and earn extra cash back by signing up with our code. Last but not least, we're going to pick up 5 boxes of the Velveeta shells and cheese. These are $3 a piece, so we're going to spend $15 on Velveeta shells and cheese. I know that sounds crazy, but we have a $2 off of 10 instant savings on Velveeta. We also have a $1 Ibotta rebate back on each one, so again, Ibotta. And also, we have a $1.50 bonus on Ibotta for purchasing at least 5 Velveeta items. So yeah, that's a lot of savings right there. So we're definitely going to take advantage of it. So go ahead and purchase 5 of those. That's going to complete this transaction. Your subtotal is going to come to $29.50. And you want to make sure you're spending at least $28, that you're accounting for that $2 worth of instant savings on the Velveeta items. So $29.50 is your subtotal, and make sure you've got that 5 off of 25 clipped. Your out-of-pocket cost for all of this food is going to come to just $9.75 plus tax for 11 items, or 88 cents each. And that is incredible. Now that's if you do the Cheetos deal like I did. If you do it with the Dunkin', it'll be a little bit more, just because it's a little bit pricier item, but you'll work out to roughly the same. It'll be in the ballpark. Keep in mind, you want to make sure that you know what to expect when you're at the store. You're going to be leaving the store paying $16.25 plus tax, just because some of these are rebates, remember. So $16.25 plus tax, and then you'll get out of the store, submit your receipt to Ibotta, and you will see that $5 in rebates come back on each of the Velveetas, plus your $1.50 bonus. So that's what's going to take you down to $9.75. So just don't freak out if your total is higher in the store than you expect. No worries, you're just getting it back in the form of your rebates at the very end. Okay, for this next transaction, we're going to start by picking up 2 Garnier Fructis, 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. These are $3 a piece, so $6 for both. We have a $3 off of 2 digital coupon, plus a $1 store digital coupon this week that will stack on top of that. I've had people in the past mention that their stores don't allow this, but if your store manager tells you that, that is going against the Dollar General policy. I just like to put that out there because Dollar General does allow store coupons and manufacturer's coupons to stack, so you should get $4 in savings off of this first deal here. And I'm just curious, as couponers, or maybe you're just beginning or starting out your journey, do you use a specific shampoo and conditioner that you are a hardcore fan of, or are you willing to branch out and try new things? I know people are really particular about their hair, and we get deals on so many different types of shampoo and conditioner. So I'm just curious, do you use your one tried and true brand, or do you mix it up? Let me know in the comments down below this video. Okay, next pick up 2 of the Palmolive dish soap. These are 2 for $4 this week, so $2 a piece. And we're going to use 2 of the 50-cent paper coupons from one of our latest inserts. So essentially taking off $1 and making them $3 for 2, or $1.50 each. We're also going to pick up 2 of the Colgate toothpaste. You want to get the ones that are $4 a pack, so $8 for both essentially. And we have a $4 off of 2 digital coupon, essentially making them half price, or $2 a piece. Also pick up 1 of the Finish tabs. Dish tabs. These are $3.25. We have a $1 paper coupon from our latest insert on those as well. You might also have a digital coupon of the same or roughly the same value that you could use either way. Also pick up an air wick. This is the oil and the plug-in for $3.35. We have been getting some of just the plug-ins, but I figure we gotta stock up on the oils too eventually. So $3.35 on this, and you're going to use your $1.50 digital coupon. And last but not least, just pick up any old dollar item that you want to buy to get your total where it needs to be. Make sure you've got that 5 off of 25 clipped as well. Your subtotal is going to come to $9.10 for 9 items. Your subtotal is going to come to $25.60. And after all your coupons come off, you're looking at an out-of-pocket cost of just $9.10 plus tax for 9 items, or roughly $1 each, which is pretty good when you're considering that you're getting dish tabs and stuff like that. And saving the best for last, of course, we've got our gain transaction, which is going to be fabulous, and we are going to get stuff for so cheap, and it's going to be super easy and super beginner friendly. So start by picking up 2 of the Febreze Air. Make sure you're picking up the Gain scented bottles. These are $3 a piece, so $6 for both. And we have a $3 off of 2 digital coupon. Hopefully you haven't used this yet. And we're also going to pick up 2 of the Gain Flings. These are the 24 count packs. They are $6.95 a piece, so $13.90 for both of those. We have a $2 digital coupon on one of those that we're going to use, and we have a $2 paper coupon from one of our latest inserts as well. So digital and a paper, $4 off there. We're also going to pick up one of the Gain Flings, the smaller packs. This is 12 count for $3.95, and we've got a $1 digital coupon on that. And last but not least, your account probably got a Gain dish soap coupon, and it costs $2, so you're taking $1 off with your digital coupon, making it just $1. If you didn't, that's okay. Grab a Gain dryer sheets for $2, and you'll pay a little bit more than what I'm talking about here if you didn't get this coupon. But if you did, go ahead and use it. Make sure you have not just your 5 off of 25, but also your 5 off of 20 Gain purchase coupon clipped as well. So we're taking $3 off the Febreze, $4 off the Flings, $1 off the Flings, and $1 off the Gain soap. And of course $10 with our big coupons. And then your subtotal is going to come to $25.85. And after all of your coupons come off, you're looking at an out-of-pocket cost of just $6.85 or $1.14 each, which is already a great price. But then think about those big tubs of 51 packs of Gain, which are $13.50 original price in the store, but we're getting more flings than that for less than half the price. Amazing.
I hope this video got you absolutely psyched about all the awesome deals coming this Saturday at Dollar General. If you learned something new, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscription button down below this video. Like it if you like it, and remember to save money, make money, and dream big. Bye!